G'day guys, how you doing? This time I have a Clip 3 from JBL. Alright, let's get this box open. Geez, it's harder to open than I thought. Alright guys, let's crack this open. On the bottom here is a micro USB charge cable, but we're not going to bother on that right now. Alright, let's get this speaker out of here. Man, oh, that's tight. Whoa, they really don't want you to take that out of this, eh? Okay, there you go. Alright guys, finally out the back here. Alright, so it looks pretty nice guys. And the back here, as you see, it's made of rubberish kind of material. And it's good for an IPX waterproof, which means it's rain spill proof and it can be immersed in water accidentally. In the front here, you see a nice grill. I like it with the JBL sign here. On top here, it's a cool metal feeling clip and it's really springy. I like it. And it goes right around the whole body of the speaker. Checking out the front of the speaker, we have a minus here for the lower volume, pause or play button, and of course your volume up button as a plus. Alright, that's the front. Let's see what's on the side here, guys. Alright, we have an on-off button. It makes a cool sound. And of course you have your Bluetooth pairing button right there. Alright, let's swing to the bottom here. It has a little port made of rubber as well. Let's open that up. It says Clip 3 on it too. We have a micro SD charger port here and a headphone jack. Okay, let's close this up and see how she sounds. Shall we? Alright guys, let's check out the freaking volume of this thing. We're just gonna play here.
Quagmire and Joe make a bet as to which one of them can stay awake the longest.
Let's check the pause video here.
Right until
That works perfectly.
62 hours in, the guys really start to lose it and begin.
And now we're gonna start just to blast.
In a truly disturbing and surprisingly graphic deleted scene, Quagmire hallucinates Peter's butt turning into a.
That's a great video, isn't it? But this thing is loud, very loud. 0.49 pounds, guys. 10 hours of play, speakerphone as well, premium feel. If you like this, guys, please subscribe and like.